everybody, and welcome to this live stream. And in this video we are going to be talking about the Windows 10 Insider Preview. So what is Windows 10 Insider Preview? Windows 10 Insider Preview is the beta phase of the Windows 10. Yes my friends, it is the beta phase of the Windows 10. And here, as you can see, I have Windows 10 Insider Preview build 21370 installed. I already made a review about this build 21370. If you have not watched, you can check it on my channel. So in today's video, let's discuss about the Windows 10 Insider Preview. So what is that? Windows 10 Insider Preview is nothing but it is a beta phase of the Windows. It contains many features such as this latest build 21370 has a new option in devices such as cameras. As you can see, when I click on the configure option, it is I can see in the screen, and these features are not stable. These are the beta features, so they won't work on some devices. So you will get advanced features. You can test it and send the feedback through the Microsoft Feedback app. So that is called Windows 10 Insider Preview. What are the features of Windows 10 Insider Preview? Windows 10 Insider Preview contains a lot advanced features that will make our life easier, such as in the latest build, Microsoft has added this new file explorer icons, as you can see, and also many more visual changes. So Microsoft will do a lot of things there. Okay, now we know the first feature. The second feature is that we get many useful features. Now useful features means that will make our life a lot easier than the first feature. Means this widget right here, as you can see, when you hover through it, it will show you the weather information and a lot more. You can check the weather without going to search in the browser, such as what is the weather and a lot more. So these are the features in Windows 10 Insider Preview. What are the bugs in Windows 10 Insider Preview? Windows 10 Insider Preview contains a lot of bugs than usual, such as when we go to settings here, when we click on privacy, when we click on any options here, when we change anything, sometimes the app closes itself automatically. As you can see, it closes automatically because this is a bug. This is not a stable build of Windows 10, and these are the bugs in Windows 10 Insider Preview. There are a lot of bugs in File Explorer as well in Windows 10 Insider Preview, such as there's no bugs recently in this build, but in future builds definitely bugs would come. So Windows 10 Insider Preview, if you want to use it, you can use it, but if you are carrying a lot of performance, don't install it, because Windows 10 Insider Preview builds make your computer slow, because Windows 10 Insider Preview builds send much data to Microsoft to identify what's happening in there or his computer. So if you are a gaming person, and if you are caring a lot about performance, don't install the Windows 10 Insider Preview build. Instead, switch to the stable build instead. Now if you are features lover, means if you want to see the future features of Windows 10, you can install the Windows 10 Insider Preview. Now I'm going to show you how to apply Windows 10 Insider Preview and then install it. So first, what we need to do is to click on the start menu, click on settings, go to update and security, click on Windows Insider Program. Okay, click on it. Here I have already signed in, so it is showing like this. But if you are not signed in, you will get an option called add account. You should add your account and then reboot your computer. After that, you need to select your insider settings. There will be 3 options, guys. Remember, this is very important in this video title. So what are these three options? So dev channel is ideal for highly technical users. Be the first to access the latest Windows 10 builds earliest in the development cycle with the newest code. There will be some rough edges and low stability. Means that this channel, this insider setting would give you a lot features than these two settings, but there will be some low performance and rough bugs. So make sure this is only for technical user. If you are a tester, Windows 10 tester, you can select this option. Next is beta channel. This is recommended, ideal for early adopters. These Windows 10 builds will be more reliable than builds from our dev channel with updates validated by Microsoft. Your feedback has greatest impact here. Means that this setting, when you click on this and check install the updates, these software updates would be very smooth than dev channel. And also when you give the feedback, Microsoft would check your first feedback in this beta channel. If you do in dev channel, they would not check, or they would not check forever, I don't know. But the beta channel, it is validated by Microsoft, and if we send feedback in this channel, then we would get very great results. So this is the recommended one. I would recommend this as well. Now the last but not the least is the release preview channel. Ideal if you want to preview fixes and certain key features, plus get optional access to the next version of Windows 10 before it's generally available to the world. This channel is also recommended for commercial users, meaning that this channel is available to the public. Means if you want to test the Windows 10 publicly, you can select the release preview channel, but you need to test it in beta phase. You can select dev channel or beta channel depending on your needs and performance. But the release preview channel software updates would be a lot slower, meaning that you wouldn't get a lot feature updates in this one. You would get feature updates only every 6 months or so. So if you want updates regularly, you can select dev channel or beta channel. So you can select it and go back to Windows Update and check for updates, and then if there are any Windows 10 Insider Preview updates available for your computer, it will automatically download, install, and then reboot your computer, and then it will successfully install. So that's it for today's live stream. So thank you for joining with us. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content like this one. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. Thank you.